You're listening to Mr. English Podcast by Mr. English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Grammar in Real Conversation, a new English learning series from Mr. English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. In this series, we help you understand difficult English grammar through natural conversation, simple explanations, and real-life examples.
Today, we're starting with one of the most confusing grammar topics for English learners.
Yes, present perfect and past simple.
A lot of learners know the rules, but when people actually speak, it still feels confusing.
So today, we'll first give you a natural conversation, then we'll explain the grammar step by step, and after that, we'll do another short conversation so you can hear it more clearly in context.
Let's begin.
John, have you ever visited Japan?
Yes, I have.
Really? When did you go there?
I went there in 2022.
How was it?
It was amazing. I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Nice. I've never been to Japan, but I've always wanted to go.
You should definitely go someday.
Have you tried Japanese street food?
Yes, I have. I've tried ramen, sushi, and takoyaki.
What did you like the most?
I loved the ramen. I had it almost every day during my trip.
That sounds so good.
What about you? Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
I went to Thailand last year.
How long did you stay there?
I stayed there for 5 days.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. The food was great and the beaches were beautiful.
Have you been back since then? That makes sense.
Okay, now let's talk about the grammar.
Good idea.
First, let's look at this question. Have you ever visited Japan?
This is present perfect.
Right. We use present perfect when we talk about life experience, and we do not say exactly when it happened.
So when I say, yes, I have, I mean that this experience is part of my life.
Exactly. But then I asked, when did you go there?
And that changes everything.
Yes, because now we are asking about a specific time in the past.
So I answered, I went there in 2022.
That is past simple, because the time is finished and clear. 2022.
So here is the main difference.
Present perfect is often about experience, change, or something connected to now.
And past simple is about a finished action at a finished time in the past.
Let's look at a few examples.
I have visited Japan.
This means the experience happened sometime in my life.
I visited Japan in 2022.
This means the action happened at a specific past time.
Here's another example. I have eaten sushi.
That means at some point in your life, you had that experience.
I ate sushi yesterday.
That is past simple, because yesterday is a clear past time.
So if you use words like yesterday, last year, in 2020, or 2 days ago, you usually need past simple.
Exactly. And if you are talking about life experience without a specific time, present perfect is often the right choice.
Another common clue is the word ever.
Right. We often say, have you ever been to Italy? Or, have you ever tried Indian food?
And for negative experience, we often use never.
For example, I have never seen snow.
That means in my whole life, that experience has not happened.
Now, let's make it even easier.
Present perfect, no specific finished time.
Past simple, specific finished time.
Present perfect, life experience.
Past simple, What happened at a clear moment in the past?
Great. Now let's hear another short conversation.
John, have you ever watched a Korean drama?
Yes, I have.
Which one did you watch?
I watched one last summer, but I can't remember the name.
Did you like it?
Yes, I did. It was really interesting.
I've never watched one, but many of my friends have recommended them to me.
Then you should start soon.
Maybe I will.
Let's review the key idea one more time. We use present perfect for experience without saying exactly when. And we use past simple when the time is specific and finished. So instead of only memorizing grammar rules, try to listen for the situation.
Ask yourself, am I talking about life experience in general? Or am I talking about one finished moment in the past?
That question will help you choose the right tense. Thanks for listening to Grammar in Real Conversation.
We hope this episode helped you understand present perfect and past simple more clearly. See you in episode 2.